Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix TikTok on unable to authorize please try again. So if you're currently facing that exact same issue and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So basically what I did firstly is that I exited my TikTok app and instead I opened up the settings app on my phone. So I went into the settings app on my phone. And in here I just scrolled down and then I clicked on general. So I clicked on general and in here I scrolled down once again and I clicked on storage. And then I just simply waited in here for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait for all the apps in here to load. And now when it's done, what I did in here is that I scrolled up and then I clicked on the search bar up top. I searched for TikTok. I clicked on TikTok and then I clicked on upload app. And once again, I clicked on upload app in here. I just waited a little bit, so we need to wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. And now just simply wait for your TikTok app to completely update to its latest version. Sometimes you need to click 2 times, by the way, just so you know, to be able to actually force it to update to its latest version. So if you get the reinstall app button once again, just click on it and then just wait for it to completely load in here. You can even close this one. And as you can see, TikTok says loading now. So just wait for it to finish, go back into the app, try once again, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.